these are for the toppings for this ice cream sundae. So it'd be kind of mad. You can see that this said that and then this says that. That's because it was beside each other. You're supposed to decorate this by just squirting by the bottom and go. And it's called Slime Cafe, and that's pretty funny. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this and let's see what it looks like. Wow, it looks pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna have to put this all together real quick. Or maybe it just fell apart. And I'll try and make it work. That is so much. That looks actually yummy. I wish that was in real life. Ooh, this banana is pretty soft. Wait, doesn't this go first? Yeah. Yeah, this is easier. Okay, guys, so we got that on. Good. Here's the whipped cream that goes on top. Hey! Come! Hey! Okay, guys, so the whipped cream is on the back. That's the only way we can make it fit on there. So I'm gonna see if this fits on there and see if this works. I don't know if it will work for it exactly. Okay, guys. So this is actually slime. See? Oh my god. My mom hates slime, don't you, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, why do you hate slime again?
Because it's a mess. And it gets on everything.
Yeah, see how it stuck to me? Ew. Wait, are you supposed to put it on there or
Yep.
is that ruins?
Well, you can put it on there.
Ew. This feels weird. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands. I don't know how I'm gonna get this on there. Yeah, I still don't know how I'm gonna get this on. Mom, sorry, but your table got destroyed. Or technically Dad, because Dad's the one who built it. See all these strings? The problem with slime, it's hard to get it on stuff. Unless you just move it everywhere, then yeah, see. Okay guys, if this got destroyed, this was a fail. This was a complete fail. And we should have just squirted it from the bottom, shouldn't we, Mom?
Mm-hmm. But the directions say, open from bottom, twist, and decorate.
But what does it mean by twist and decorate?
Well, I don't think it's supposed to stick to your hand like this.
Yeah, I don't either. How am I supposed to get all this slime off me? I really hate this. Mom, I finally agree about slime. It's bad. Okay, guys. So that orange one was a total fail. If you ever get this, please just get this pink one because this one is very hard and there's no way this can get you in. So on this, you're supposed to squeeze it together like that and roll it out.
Well, it probably doesn't have to do with the color. It's just if it feels really squishy
Okay.
or if it feels kind of hard.
If it feels kind of hard, that's the kind you should get. If it feels kind of hard. And if it feels squishy, please don't get that kind because it will get all over the place. And we're just going to try and do this. So I'm going to rip a little piece off. Just like that. It's not really working. So I'm going to have to kind of do this. It's what I do with some slime. Or putty on it. Oh yeah, this looks like a huge, ginormous. Okay, now I'm rolling this up. See, it's kind of like a worm. We also got this, and we're going to kind of do that. I'm also going to keep on rolling this. That's the hard part. Now I'm going to go whoop, and see that we got kind of this far poop looking thing. we're gonna put this in, just gonna kind of rip this piece off. You can see. I'm gonna kind of put it in towel shape noodles. But okay, so we got the last piece. So we're going to Okay, we're gonna wrap it around this other turd. Okay, we're finished. Tra la la. Look, smiley face.
Looks delicious.
I wish this was real so I could go. That would be yummy. It looks like a banana split. You can see the banana here. I wish this was real. Don't forget to put some love and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Brayden's Adventures.